Hi folks, Russ from ProSteam UK here. Some of you who already follow my channel will know that we are specialists in cleaning, resealing and refurbishing Amtico, Cardine and other makes of luxury vinyl tile. And what you're looking at right here and now is some luxury vinyl tile. We believe this to be Amtico. It's been down quite a few years. Unfortunately, it hasn't been cared for very well. The maintenance people simply just come along, give it a quick mop, and then they'll seal over the top of it, but they won't remove all the dirt. So what they've been doing for years and years is mopping, sealing, and sealing in all that dirt. And what you're looking at here is an area of the floor where we haven't stripped. And as you can see over there, where it's really bright, we've stripped all the old seal and with that all the dirt that was trapped in with the old seal. We're using our Accentra machine, which is just around the corner here. This machine allows us to clean edge to edge, corner to corner, and it works very efficiently and produces great results. Anyway, we thought we'd get to a point where we could see a difference, and there you have it, folks. Once that floor has dried and we've stripped the whole floor, we're then going to apply several coats of Dr. Schutz's Secure Hard Seal to then help to preserve the appearance of the floor. The seal will also enhance the colour of the tiles as well. So let's come back to this in a bit. Hi folks, well, we return back to this floor. We have cleaned, stripped and resealed the tiles, and as you can see, it's looking nice. It's very bright, where we've taken that old seal away, and that old seal was had gone a slightly yellow sort of colour, and it was also, it had a lot of trapped dirt within it, so we've managed to release a lot of the dirt from the seal, and we've used a quality product made by Dr. Schutz, and as long as this floor is well maintained, there's no reason why this seal won't last for, well, 18 months maybe. The floor unfortunately isn't in great shape. It's 20 years old. Some of the tiles are lifting, but anyway, it's looking a lot better than it did yesterday.